Go, folks. This is break 1451. 1451, the 2020-21 Clearly Donruss one box. Pick your team. John, do you want to drop the explanation of the show giveaway guessing in the chat? Bunch of new people here, and I think that would be helpful. We have like a one out there somewhere. Nikola Jokic of the Nuggets, a little Zion Williamson of the New Orleans Pelicans. Then we're going to have the stargazing Steph Curry. Mr. Steph Curry doing some stargazing right there of the Golden State Warriors, heading to Aaron. Following that up, we have a Kenyon Martin Jr. rated rookie and a Desmond Bane rated rookie. Desmond Bane rated a rookie. Desmond Bane of the Memphis Grizzlies going to Christopher B. Kenyon Martin Jr. of the Houston Rockets going to Chris B. as well. We have R.J. Barrett of the New York Knicks. And boom, shakalaka, 12 out of 49. It is Mr. James Weissman of the Golden State Warriors going to Aaron. Congratulations, Aaron. Nice hit right there. Following that up with Damian Lillard of the Trailblazers. A little Damian Lillard of the Trailblazers purple right there. Headed to Chris. Followed up by Patrick Williams. Patrick Williams of the Chicago Bulls going to Bob. And then we have an Anthony Edwards RC of the Minnesota Timberwolves going to Davis. Woo-wee! We got a hot box, and we're halfway through this hot box. And I want to welcome Austin with the Celtics, Davis with the Hornets and Timberwolves, Vaughn with the Bucks, and Christopher with the Pelicans. Thanks for joining us for the first time this evening. You can use promo code NEWBT for 20% off your first order at BreakTraders.com. Jimmy Butler of the Heat, followed by DeMar DeRozan of the Spurs. Jeremiah Grant right there. That's a nice little parallel right there of the Detroit Pistons going to Mr. CEO. Followed up by Xavier Tillman of the Memphis Grizzlies. And Aaron Jalen Smith, rated rookie of the Phoenix Suns, going to Cynthia. Xavier Tillman of the Grizzlies headed to Christopher. Ooh, baby, we got a magtastic one hit right there. Shai Gilgeous-Alexander of the Thunder, Giannis of the Bucks, a Devin Vassell gold-rated rookie headed of the San Antonio Spurs headed to Bellahome, followed by a Theo Maledon RC of the Oklahoma City Thunder going to Warren, and then Obi Toppin of the New York Knicks going to Aaron. Yeah, we got hot right there for sure. All right, let's run down these rookies. We have Obi Toppin of the New York Knicks going to Aaron. Theo Maledon of the Oklahoma City Thunder going to Warren. Devin Vassell of the San Antonio Spurs going to Bellahome. Jalen Smith of the Suns headed to Cynthia. Followed up by Xavier Tillman of the Memphis Grizzlies going to Chris. Patrick Williams of the Chicago Bulls headed to Bob. Desmond Bane of the Grizzlies to Chris. And Kenyon Martin Jr. of the Houston Rockets headed to Chris. And now on to our featured cards. the stargazing Steph Curry and the Anthony Edwards base. Anthony Edwards of the Minnesota Timberwolves headed to Davis. Steph Curry of the Golden State Warriors headed to Aaron. And then here we go, folks. Boom goes the dynamite. We have the James Wiseman out of 49. James Wiseman out of 49 of the Golden State Warriors going to Aaron. And with that, we're done with break 1451. We'll be right back from BT Field with 1465.